The ANKA III unmanned combat aircraft, UCAV, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSAS, has now entered the maturity phase and is ready to be adopted by the Turkish Air Force robotics. Recently, Mehmet Demiroğlu, chief executive of TUSAS, stated that the ANKA III program has successfully completed its critical design review, its configuration has been determined, and production-related activities have begun. With the success of this program, it is expected that the Turkish Air Force will place an initial order for around 50 aircraft in 2026, although no procurement contract has been announced yet. Previously, in December 2025, ANKA III had completed its 46th system verification and identification sortie, during which critical autopilot functions were validated as part of its autonomous flight capability. The ANKA III has also successfully demonstrated the release of a precision-guided munition under representative conditions, validating payload separation, guidance initiation, and mission system timing. This flying wing drone has a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of 6.5 tons, with an endurance of around 10 hours in the air, and an operating altitude of around 40,000 feet, 12,200 meters. The ANKA III payload capacity ranges from 1.2 to 1.6 tons, depending on configuration. The aircraft also features an internal weapons bay, IWB, and an external weapons mount. In addition to carrying out combat missions independently or in groups, the ANKA III can carry out ISR, surveillance, reconnaissance and intelligence roles through its electro-optical, infrared and ESA radar payloads. The ANKA III prototype still uses a Ukrainian-made turbofan engine. However, in parallel, the domestically developed TF6000 engine is being developed by TUSAS Engine Industries. The Turkish Air Force will deploy 50 ANKA III alongside the KAAN 5th-generation stealth fighter jet, also developed by TUSAS, to address the increasingly complex air combat of the future.